Hello viewers. Today we will learn a new thing about Excel, a simple tricks. We often see columns and row as number in Excel sheet, like column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Usually we use the letter in column like column A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and row is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It is a formula of R1C1 reference number. To turn off it, please click the file, then go to option and click the formula. Then here is R1C1 reference style is checked. Please uncheck the R1C1 reference style and press the OK. Now we'll see the letter in column and number in row as before. Thanks.